Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I've got a little e.l.f. bite-sized palette here. Yes, it's only 4 colors, but I decided I wanted to swatch it for you anyway. It's called Acai You, A-C-A-I, like a fruit that I don't know much about. And it's just a cute little all-in-one blue palette. So if you're interested in these are only $3. They come in all kinds of different quads and they work really well. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch for you. Here we go. So these don't have names. The first is just a nice little sky blue, powder blue. Could almost be lilac if you wanted it to be. These build up really well. So even if it looks a little sheer here, don't be discouraged by that. The next two are shimmers. This is kind of a blue jeans color. It's got a little bit of purple in it. The next one should come out a little darker. Well, it's not exactly darker. I think it has even more purple in it. This one's looking a little grayer now. Again, that's similar to a blue jean kind of color. And then this is the darkest one. It is a solid gray blue, like navy blue with a little bit of gray in it. They make really pretty look all together. Maybe a nice halo eye, or just a gradient, or just a swipe of one of these colors would work as well. So definitely recommend these little definitely recommend these little e.l.f. bite-sized palettes. Check them out in the drugstore. Again, they're like $3. It's 2023 right now. Hopefully they don't go up anytime soon. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.